Okay, starting with US Canadian dollar, there has not been a bounce yet. It's been a very hard sell today. However, that does not mean that a bounce will not appear. The plan has not changed overall, that the price should run towards 123 over the coming weeks and months. However, I am looking for that bounce. It's obviously not a flat now, but I'm still holding the triangle view. And although I've been calling it short from 137.50, I feel it is due a bounce, disregarding this count, which I'm going to have to redo. I'm quite confident about the triangle now, and I don't see a reason why, upon completing this current thrust, it will not turn around for a larger bounce. Now, tomorrow is US, I think it's a final GDP print. So perhaps there'll be a turn tomorrow. Right now, price is trying to kill off the divergence on all time frames. But I'm still looking for that bounce. So it's been a big move today, but that is not to say it won't find some kind of low into tomorrow and move back up towards 200 or 300 or so for a bigger bounce. So looking at the other Canadian pairs, a lot of strength has come back into the Canadian dollar from that extreme COT short position. Right now, New Zealand Canadian is on trend support, and there's a larger trend line below that. However, I am expecting this to break overall. Perhaps a small bounce here, or a bounce of some kind, but I am looking for this to break overall soon enough. The month ends on Friday, and it's looking very bearish on the monthly right now. So we'll see how that unfolds. Aussie Canadian is also at trend support. I'm looking for this to break as well right now, but let's see what happens over the next few days, if it finds a low or not. The price pattern and candle formation here should give an answer to that. And now Euro Canadian is trying to break down. It's made the simple three-wave move up here on the 4-hour. I would prefer to see it find some low into here and have one more move up before the bigger sell comes in, but I am looking for a down move overall in this. So there's US final GDP print tomorrow, and on Friday is the Canadian, I think a Canadian GDP print as well. Okay, no change to the dollar. That is still selling off. Overall, it's coming into trendline support here, but let's see what happens. It should be close to some kind of end move here. Like I said, on Euro US dollar, I am looking towards 114, 115 to top out in this region. 114 probably, 114 and change. Okay, nothing to say about Aussie New Zealand right now. It's still correcting higher. And Euro New Zealand, from that ridiculously strong move yesterday of 300 points or so, it looks just like a three-wave move so far. So probably a bit of a correction here. Try to find a low and one more move up, I would suspect. If not more than that, but I'm still looking for a correction and then another move up towards 158 or so. And US dollar Japanese yen still holding under here. Let's see how this emerges. There was a big break on euro yen. However, it needs to consolidate and then continue the rise because it's broken to a new high. And at times like this, it always remains vulnerable. But so far, no indication. It's wearing out. So a bit of consolidation to see if the move up can continue from there. And not much else to say than that. So I'll leave it there and I'll update again tomorrow. Bye-bye.